Hello everyone, welcome back to Sakina's Travel Diary. Today we are at Rockwoods Reservation. This is a 30-minute drive from St. Louis and it is a very beautiful area, lots of trees, very rustic, something to do with Native American history. The trail which I am on is called Lime Kiln Trail. I think there are more than 2 trails here. The other one that I had done a couple days ago was Trail Among the Trees. So this is Lime Kiln Trail, which is 3¼ mile, and I think I'm already halfway through. I am just gonna take you around and show you this trail now. Let's get going. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you can share this video with your friends, it will really help my channel grow, and that way I'll be motivated to make more and more videos. I go hiking and I go do stuff all the time, but making a video takes a little bit more effort, and then coming home and editing it takes a lot of effort from my side. Since I am no pro, I have just learned all this on my own. So if you can share the videos and there are people who watch the video after I put in all this effort and upload it, it will just keep me motivated to make more and more videos. Or else I will only keep my adventures to myself then. So that's it. Thank you for watching Sakina's Travel Diary. Bye bye.